Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided that I was gonna do something fun, I suppose. I already did this eye, as you can see. Pretty cool, right? I was just messing around and I decided, hey, let's film this so that I can have a video up for this week. So if you would like to see how to do this, then please keep on watching. So we're going to be using this nice fluffy brush, and guess what we're using? The Jawbreaker palette. Finally, here we go. The first shade we are going to be using, it's called literally Fuck. And nice name, Jeffrey. So I'm just gonna be taking this into my crease and I'm going to blend it out. Now I'm going to be taking Cherry Wets, and with that same fluffy brush, I'm going to be deepening up the crease. Now I'm going to be taking Snack right there, and I'm just going to be using my finger for this. And we are putting her all over the lid. Now I'm just going to be taking this Starlit Studios kind of like everything glitter. She's really pretty. You can like use this on like your hair, your face, that kind of stuff, on your body. I'm gonna be using it on my eyelids, and I'm just gonna go in with my finger. Oh, bitch! Okay. I'm a crack cat! My god! Anywho, back to what I was doing. She just destroyed this whole area. I was like, okay, Peach, that was fun. My god. Now I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills little glitter sets. It literally came in this. It's where it's at. And I'm using the shade Mistletoe. I'm just going to be taking my finger once again, and I will be dabbing it on there. Alright, now for the hard part. Eyeliner. Just going to be using the NYX Matte Liquid Eyeliner. Now we're going to be going in with this little flat blender brush. I'm going to be dipping into Fuck again. And we're going to be blending her out underneath. And then we're taking Cherry Wets and blending her out underneath as well. Now I'm going to be taking this little, I don't know what this would be, but I'm going to be taking the shade Jawbreaker, which is this white one. And I'm going to be putting her below and above my little inner cat wing, and then up on my brow bone. Now I'm going to be taking my eyeliner again, and I'm going to be doing my little dots that I have going on this eye. Mascara, Maybelline Lash Sensational. Doesn't really matter what you're going to be using because we are going to be doing falsies. Alright, once again, we're going to be using these big Mama Jabba lashes from Amazon that are Pilel. I have no idea how to pronounce it still, but it's okay. I'm just going to be using some Duo Dark Tone Lash Glue. While we wait for that to dry, I'm just going to be taking a black eyeshadow. I'm using mine from the little mini Lorac Pro palette. I'm going to be dipping in with a small angled brush. I think you already know where this is going. And I'm going to be tapping that in the waterline. And I'm just going to go ahead and do my bottom lashes as well while we wait. Alright, just for some extra reassurance, I'm going to be using the AUA Super Strip Lash Adhesive. I'm going to be plopping her right on top of my black liner, just in the beginning part, only because sometimes these lashes want to pop off, and I'm not having that today. I'm not. So, here we go, lash application. Alright, lastly we're going to do the lips together, so I'm going to be using the AUA Studios Wonder Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Fleek. And now I'm going to be using the Diamond Lip Gloss by AUA Studios once again. Alright guys, and that completes today's look. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any requests for me, let me know in the comments down below. Whatever you want to see, I'll make it for you, promise. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.